Hi and welcome to the home of Invoq. Today we're gonna cook a little vegetarian sauce made only from carrots. The first step in the recipe is to roast the carrots in the oven to get out the rich and nice, delicious carrot taste. Second is to cook them with the stock, and then finally add the nut browned butter and some orange. Now the carrots are done. And we'll chop them in smaller pieces and cook them with the stock. And if you like, you can add some thyme. Now we are ready for mixing the sauce. But just before, we'll remove the fresh herbs. We're adding a little orange juice and some of the very nutty butter, also known as beurre noisette. Just need a little pinch of salt and maybe some water for the consistency. It's still too thick. That's what it looks like. Very tasty and a deep flavor of the carrot. It also goes very well with a piece of meat, of course.